Welcome back, graduates. So today we have an awesome tutorial for you teaching you how to add a spin to win feature to your store without the need of apps. In our previous videos, we kind of go through why you shouldn't load up your store with apps. The biggest issue is it causes slower load times, which will decrease your conversion rate. Now, this feature is a widely used feature in a lot of different stores out there. People like to try their chances at winning a discount code. Now, what this will do is they'll enter their email, so this will help you build your email lists, and it'll present them with a discount code that will automatically apply during checkout. Now I'm going to show you, hopefully I can win at gmail.com and see what happens. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but there is a sound option. Awesome. So I just got a 20% off. So let me just go here. All right, now I want to go and purchase. Let's add this to cart. And bada bing, bada boom. Let's go through checkout and see. All right, any day now. Come on, Shopify. Got this. 20% or well, 20% off. So just like that, it applies a discount code. So let's get right to the tutorial. Wow, I can't talk today. So now, as you can see, the live theme version was Dawn 4.0. It's the latest. I think this is the latest version of Dawn. I am slurring my words in this video. So Dawn version 2.5.0. So I'm going to show you that you can, in fact, install this on an older version of Dawn. Now, we always recommend update your theme to the latest version. I know it's a pain in the butt to actually go and do, but you'll have a lot more features. It's just going to be a better, cleaner version of the theme every time. But anyways, let's get right to it. So as always, we always end up in our Shopify dashboard. We click on Online Store, and then we also go to the theme we want to edit. So this is the theme we want to edit, and I'm just going to click Preview. So that way you can see that it is in fact no longer on here. This is our dev version of the theme, and let's get right to it. So we're gonna click on Edit Code, and as always, very easy steps. You're gonna have a zip file, or it's gonna have 3 folders in here, and you just extract and follow the tutorial along with the and make sure you have the files with you. You'll be able to download these from our website, ecomgraduates.com. We are charging for our features, but it's very small fee, and it'll also allow you to save money in the long term. Instead of having to pay monthly for these features, it's going to be built right into your theme. So what we're going to do is we're going to create the section first. So what we'll do is we'll go into the sections folder inside the zip, and what we'll do is we'll just click on rename. We'll make it easy. So we'll copy that, and we're gonna have to go and make a section. So let's get rid of the templates and the layout. Let's go to sections. We're gonna add new section. We're gonna paste that name in right here, create section. And then what you wanna do is you wanna open up that section, that file. And let me go and find the file. Where did I put it? Here we go. This is it right here. Okay, so we wanna open this up. And you know what? We'll just open with like a text editor. That's fine. And copy everything that's in here. And we're gonna go into here and we're gonna highlight all of this. We're gonna delete it and we're gonna paste it. Let's get rid of the search button. Hit save. And you see how it's eg_spinning_wheel.liquid? What you want to do is once you create this liquid file, you want to go into layout, theme.liquid, and you're gonna find footer. So we're gonna do Control F, footer, or Command F if you're on a Mac, and we're going to paste this right below here. Now I do already have a text file in here, telling you where to paste this, but just follow along in the video and type in section. I'm going to do a single quote, paste EG spinning wheel, single quote, space, %, and close that. And then we're going to hit save. And then if you want to have the sound, which you got to upload it anyways, we're going to go in and upload this. So choose file. Now I got to go into here. Okay, of course, I have the audio wheel here, open, upload asset. And in the folder though, just keep in mind, we do have that file available for you. I just had it in a different place for this tutorial. It's under assets, and then there's the MP3 file. And then under, whoops, let me go back. Under spin to win, we've got the layout, which is just a readme.txt file. Find section footer in theme.liquid file and paste just like we just did now. And I also have a screenshot available for you to view that, just in case you don't know what I'm talking about. cool. That's done, and we have everything we need. So now let's go and customize this. Now you do have to customize this. There are some settings you gotta enable. So right here, by default, you're gonna have the EG spinning wheel. If you don't want to enable it, just disable it. You know, you can also show only on the home page if you want, or if you want to have it on every page, you can do that. And you have to have a minimum. So this is a minimum of a 5-second delay. So it'll wait 5 seconds for this to show up. We can drop that if you want in a future update. Just let me know what you guys think. We find that having a 5-second delay is fine, as they're navigating the page. Now what's cool is this will allow them to spin once per day. Like you can specify how long you want it to actually show, expiration in hours, meaning give them 24 hours to come back and try again tomorrow. And then you can also have it open on the right, open on the left. You can set the max width. It's really your preference, excuse me. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add blocks. We're gonna add a block, so now this will be a winning block. Now, before you do this, make sure you make all of your discount codes. You gotta make your discount codes. And what we'll do is I'll show you how our discount codes are set up. So make sure that your discount codes are here. So we've got 25 off, we've got 20 off, 15, and 10, and 5. So we're gonna make these options here. Now with Shopify, you have a maximum of 10 blocks, so I definitely suggest you set up your use all 10 blocks. So we'll just do 5% off, and we'll make this a cool color. We'll keep it purple. I like purple and black. And we'll do 50FF, and then we're gonna make a losing one. We'll just do a little sad face. Sorry. And I'm just gonna speed up this part of the video, and you don't have to watch me do this. So, and if it's not a winner, uncheck this and also make it a different color. Make it look nice. And you don't need to enter a discount code if it's a loser. Okay, so now we added all our blocks. As you can see, we have 5% off. Then there's a loss, 10, sorry, 15, sorry, 20, sorry, 25, sorry. We got all that. And as you can see, we have all our discounts here. So make sure you have your discount codes readily available. Otherwise, this will not work properly. So now what we're going to do is we're going to refresh. Now, I'll kind of show you how this works really. So we go into applications, and you'll see under local storage we have an EG spinning wheel expiration. So we're going to delete this just for this example. I'm going to refresh, and we're going to wait about 5 seconds. So pretend like you're a customer, you're navigating, you're like, oh wow, I really like these products, cool. Oh, we have a chance to win. Let me just enter my email. Okay, try our luck. Hopefully we win. Maybe we won't. Maybe we will. I don't know. We'll find out. Hey, we won 5% off. Okay, cool. So now we got a product here, and let me just remove this product. I got 5% off, so I want to go big or go home, right? I'm going to add this to cart, and cool. We're going to go and check out. Let's go check out right now. Hey, 5% off. Hell yeah. So guess what? Now you no longer need an app. You can add this feature to your store. You can set an expiration on when it shows up again. You can give your customers a chance to win every single day, or maybe you can change it to, hey, every 3 days you get a chance to win. Come spin to win and get a great discount, collect more emails, use your email list, upload it to Facebook, find an audience, run more ads, or just run an email marketing campaign. This is a great feature. There's some stores that should use it, and there's some stores that shouldn't. But overall, we've seen a good, a good conversion rate with these types of features. People like to have that game kind of vibe where they're like, oh my God, I'm gonna win something big, and I'm gonna, save some money. And it also will help you with those people who, come to your store and they're like very kind of, you know what, that price is a little too expensive. And if you have room and your price to, mark things down where you can kind of take a little bit less, this is a great option. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. And as always, if you liked the video, if it helped you in any way, shape, or form, please be sure to, like and subscribe to our, to our channel. So like the video, subscribe, and if you have any issues, just email us, support@ecomgraduates.com. We'll always help you out, or just leave a comment below and we'll just respond to you. You'll notice in our videos, we do respond to you. We want to build up this community, and we want to keep, bringing awesome features to your store at an affordable price. So without further ado, guys, until next time, thank you for watching.